Good morning, children. I am your English teacher. Today we are going to learn about present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense? Present continuous tense is used to show an action which is still going on at the time of speaking. In other words, we always talk about the action happening right now. Now, how it is formed, the sentences of present continuous tense, how they are formed? They are formed with the help of is mr as an helping verb plus first form of the verb and ing form. For example, I am teaching you English grammar. In this sentence, children, am teaching. This is your verbal group. Here, am is the helping verb and teaching is the main verb. So this is an example of a present continuous tense sentence. You are studying English grammar. Here, are studying. This is your verbal group where are is the helping verb and studying is the main verb. This is also an example of a present continuous tense sentence. The dogs are barking at the men. Here, are barking. This is your verbal group. Tom is playing a computer game. Now see, the subject is Tom, and according to the subject, helping verb is there and it is is. If the subject is plural, then the verb will also be plural. Okay, here subject is singular, so is used. Is the helping verb, playing is the main verb, a computer game. Now see here, children, Ben and David are speaking in English. Now here there are two subjects. If we will use a pronoun for these two subjects, we will use they. So the helping verb which is used here, it must be in its plural form. That is why are is here. Ben and David are speaking in English. Now, there are some situations where present continuous tense sentences are used. Okay, a present continuous tense is also used to describe a longer action in progress, even though you are not doing the action right now. Means in your future time you will do the action, or from many days you are doing it. At that time also we can use present continuous tense. Let's see some examples. I'm reading an interesting book these days. Now from last many days I am reading an interesting book. Now see the second one. You are studying to become an engineer. Again, an action which is in progress. Stephen is preparing for the IELTS exam. Rahul and Ankit are working for a multinational company. Now, let's see another situation. The present continuous tense is used to talk about near future plans. That in near future, what you are going to do, that also you can uh, say in present continuous tense sentences. She is meeting some friends tonight. Means tonight she is going to meet her friends. So we can use sim simple present continuous tense here. We are going on vacation in July. Not now, but in the month of July, the subject they are going on vacation. David is learning to drive tomorrow. Tomorrow means tomorrow in the morning or in the future time. So he is learning to drive, not now. The action is not the subject is not doing the action right now. Nancy and I are teaching math next week. So these two they are going to teach math next week. Now children, I hope that you have understood about present continuous tense sentences. Now we will see how to make a negative sentence. As you all know that to make a negative sentence, we need a negativizer, that is not. Let's take an example. Pam is singing a song. This is a positive sentence. In this sentence, is the helping verb and singing is the main verb. Now, we have to add not in between these two, in between helping verb and main verb. So what will be the sentence and a negative sentence? Pam is not singing a song. Okay, let's take another example. Sammy is playing football. Now, to make a negative sentence, we have to use a negativizer in between helping verb and main verb. Sammy is not playing football. This is your negative sentence. Now let's do some practice. I'm having fun. The negative sentence will be I am not having fun. Nia is doing her homework. Now always remember children, to make a negative sentence in present continuous tense sentence, concentrate on the helping verb. Okay, because after this helping verb you have to put the negativizer not. So in this sentence, Nia is not doing her homework. Next sentence, we are running in tomorrow's marathon. We are not running in tomorrow's marathon. All are going through a difficult time. All are not going through a difficult time. We are waiting for the bus. We are not waiting for the bus. Now, how to form an interrogative sentence? To frame an interrogative sentence, first we will put the helping verb in the starting of the sentence. Starting of the sentence means before the subject. And secondly, we will put a question mark in place of a full stop. Let's see an example. Pam is singing a song. Is the helping verb children and singing is the main verb. Now see students, this helping verb we will shift it to the before the subject. So the interrogative sentence will be, is Pam singing a song? And we will put this question mark. Sammy is playing football. Okay, concentrate on the auxiliary here. Is the helping verb auxiliary. So is will be shifted to before Sammy. So is Sammy playing football? Let's have some more practice. I'm using the dictionary correctly. Now the helping verb in this sentence is am. So am will come before I. Am I using the dictionary correctly? And question mark. He is buying a computer at the weekend. Is he buying a computer at the weekend? We are repeating the class next week. Are we repeating the class next week? He is working on an important project. Is he working on an important project? They are meeting a basketball player today. Are they meeting a basketball player today? Now, children, let's see what are the difference between present simple tense sentences and present continuous tense sentences, the structure about how we use them. See here, in present simple tense, for example, the first one, see the subject I. With I, we use play because I is the pronoun which always takes a plural verb. So I play. In present continuous tense, it is I am playing. You play, you are playing. He, she, it, these are singular subjects. So singular verb will be used. So plays. He, she, it plays. He, she, it is playing. We play. We are playing. You play. You are playing. They play. They are playing. Let's see what are the differences in a nutshell when we have to frame negative sentences in present simple tense and in present continuous tense. Subject plus doesn't or don't plus play, not we are using here because these are negative forms, okay? And in present simple, when there is no helping verb, I have told you many times that we have to use do or does as a helping verb. And in past tense, we use did. So here in present simple tense, there is no helping verb, so we will use do or does. I don't play. In present continuous tense, I am not playing. You don't play. You aren't playing. He, she, it doesn't play. He, she, it isn't playing. We don't play. We aren't playing. You don't play. You aren't playing. They don't play. They aren't playing. In interrogative sentence also, these are the differences how they are formed. Do I play? Am I playing? Do you play? Are you playing? Does he, she, it play? Is he, she, it playing? Do we play? Are we playing? Do you play? Are you playing? Do they play? Are they playing? Now, see here, children, what are the situations when we use present simple tense and when we use present continuous tense? The first one, we use present simple tense when we talk about repeated actions. That means about habits and routines. And in present continuous tense, we talk something that is happening at the time of speaking, but the action is not finished. Okay. In present simple tense, the situation is permanent. In present continuous tense, the situation is temporary. In present simple tense, we talk about thoughts, feelings, states, and facts, universal facts. In present continuous tense, we talk about actions and happenings, but not usually used for states. Words used in present simple tense: always, usually, often, sometimes, never. Words used in present continuous tense: at the moment, at present, currently, now, nowadays. So, children, I hope that now you have understood about present continuous tense, its difference, the difference between present simple tense and present continuous tense, how to make negative sentences, and how to make interrogative sentences. So now here is a worksheet number 1 for you. The question is, complete the sentences with the verbs in bracket. Use present continuous tense. This is your first homework. Worksheet number 2. Here you have to change the following sentences into the present continuous tense. You have to change these sentences into present continuous tense. For example, I write novels. So in present continuous tense, it will be I am writing novels. Like this, you have to complete this worksheet. Thank you, children, for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe.